Welcome to Your Friend the Cook's Funhouse, featuring family favorite meals by SJ. It's SJ's Funhouse. Here is the ingredient list for SJ's shortbread banana pudding. Banana pudding is a popular one for my family. We love the traditional Nilla wafers, but I've been trying different cookie options and the Dublin shortbread cookies really hit. So let's get into it. Today we have bananas, Dublin shortbread cookies, milk, sugar, egg yolks, cornstarch, butter, and vanilla bean paste. Okay, first, with clean hands, we're going to stack our cookies and bananas. You can do this however you prefer. You may or may not like or want a lot of bananas, but I love them, so I layer a lot. Check out those layers. Now that our cookies and bananas are layered, I'll move on to the pudding. To make your vanilla pudding, you're going to start by whisking 1/4 cup of the milk with the cornstarch. Incorporate the cornstarch slowly, mixing consistently, making sure it doesn't clump up in the milk. When you're done, you're going to set this aside. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the rest of the milk. Salt. And sugar. Whisk and heat over medium heat until it is steaming, but don't let it boil. While the milk heats up, whisk the egg yolks in a separate bowl. When the milk mixture is hot, slowly stream 1/2 cup of the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks. You're going to want to whisk constantly. This is called tempering and brings the temperature of the eggs up without scrambling them. Now, slowly add the warm egg mixture back into the pot. Now add the cornstarch and milk mixture. Whisk consistently. Continue to cook over medium heat, whisking and whisking until the mixture starts to simmer and has thickened. Now remove pudding from heat and whisk in the butter and the vanilla. And just like that, the vanilla pudding is done. When pudding cools, it thickens, so while it's still hot, we're going to pour this over our stacked cookies and bananas. I'm making sure that the pudding can move throughout the dish, removing any air pockets, ensuring that the pudding can coat all of the stacked layers of cookies and bananas. And here we are. Now I like to bake my banana pudding, so this is going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes. While the banana pudding bakes, we are going to prepare our cookie topping, which is just some remaining Dublin shortbread cookies that I'm going to crush up by hand. Yes, I could have used the rolling pin to do this, but I'm very handsy. I like to be a little extra and I like to be hands-on, so here we are, hands-on in the cookie crumbs. See, that was more fun than a rolling pin. Now that we have our topping, let's get back to our banana pudding. And here it is, straight out of the oven. Here is our topping. I'm gonna coat that in the cookies. And when we finish coating this is going into the fridge to cool and chill. And here we are after the cooling and chilling period. A nice homemade from scratch banana pudding. Let's get into it. Doesn't that look good? And there you are. You know, I had to get myself a taste. And another one. Enjoy. It's SJ's Funhouse. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.